CSI are very responsive to customer needs and are very good at supporting customers with the implementation of DDM as well as maintaining it.
Client support for DDM is like the technical support side is pretty fantastic as well. Usually if I have a problem, they get back to me almost immediately.
CSI is excellent. Whenever we've got questions, or whether it's we think there's a problem with the software, it normally works out we're just not using it correctly, or whether we just genuinely don't understand how to implement an idea that we might have, and we can put those questions to the support team.
I've worked with these guys and girls for years, so you know who's got the job in hand, and I have no problems. They're usually dealt with within 24 hours. In hours normally, but it depends on the complexity of the issue. But our support calls, we probably raise 2 or 3 a year.
DDM tends to take any of the improvement requests and things like that on board fairly well.
Tickets are raised to help improve the system, and we do see those changes coming through in future releases of the product.
It's a reason that it makes the tool so much easier to use when you can ask questions and interrogate how something should be working.
The system works, it just sits there ticking away in the background. It's what you want. It allows us to work effectively without having to be bothered by administrating a complex piece of software every 5 minutes.